Good afternoon, boys. So this video is for class 9. Today we are doing unit 7, trigonometry. We will be doing chapter number 23. The name of the chapter is trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Okay. So trigonometry, as we have already learned in the previous classes, okay, that we have done chapter number 22, trigonometrical ratios. Okay. And in trigonometrical ratios, we have come across the words like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. And I have also given the formula in class that some people have sine means perpendicular by hypotenuse, curly brown hair, turn permanently black. Okay, so as I've written out here, as in the previous chapter, we have learned about the trigonometrical ratios, namely sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. We are aware of the 6 trigonometrical ratios. Okay, so what we'll be doing in this chapter is, so in this present chapter we will be learning more about the angles. Okay, note my word, more about the angles. Not only the angles, we will be learning more about standard angles. Okay, so some angles are there, so which are known as standard angles. So there are actually 5 standard angles that we will be learning in this chapter. Okay, and the 5 standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So for how many standard angles are there? There are 5 standard angles: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90. Okay, so therefore for these 5 standard angles, 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, now we have to learn this table. And this table is very, very important for exercise 23A. So we have to learn this table. Okay, so in the first column you can see there are angles. In the first column you can see there are trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Okay, this first column is for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60, 90, similarly. Okay, so now how to learn the table is, the value for sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. After that, sine 90 degree, the value is 1. Okay, so if we can remember the first line, that is the value for sine, then it's easy for us to remember the second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth as well. Okay, so once again, the value for sine degree is 0, 30 degree half, 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2, and sin 90 degree is 1. We need to mark up these values. Okay, and after that, what happens in the second row is, now we just have to bring back the values. Okay, the value for sine 0 degree, the value for sine 90 degree, and cos 0 degree is going to be same. So this values come out here. This 1 will be here, root 3 by 2 will be here, 1 by 2 remains as 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 will be here, and then 0 will be here. Okay, so this is the value for cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, 60, and 90. After that, tan 0, the value for tan 0 is 0. Now how it is 0? We know that tan is it is a ratio of sine by cos. So tan 0 degree is sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. So tan 0 degree is equals to sine 0 degree divided by cos 0 degree. The value for sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. So 0 by 1 is always equals to 0, using the formula tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. Okay, and similarly it goes with tan 30 also. Tan 30 means sine 30 by cos 30. So tan 30 degree means sine 30 degree divided by cos 30 degree. So what we can do is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled out. So hence we get 1 by root over 3. Okay. Tan 45. Now tan 45 is also same. You divide the value for sine 45 divided by cos 45. Since it is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, it gets cancelled out. So the value will be tan 45 degree will be 1. Okay, so same goes with tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled out. So therefore only root over 3. And finally we have tan 90 degree. Now tan 90 degree we have mentioned out here is infinity, which is undefined. We don't know the value. Okay, how is that possible now? Tan 90 degree is equals to sine 90 by cos 90. The value for sine 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, and we know 1 divided by 0 is always undefined infinity. Okay, similarly you go with the values for cot 0. Now cot 0 is opposite of tan 0, so hence 0 by 1 is, so tan 0 is opposite, cot 0 is opposite of tan 0. Okay, so cot 0 will be 1 by tan 0, that is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay, and cot 30 degree, root 3, cot 45, 1. So in the same way you will have to remember all the values of sin 0 to 90, cos 0 to 90, tan 0 to 90, cot 0 to 90, sec 0 to 90, and cosec 0 to 90. In fact, all in all, this table is very, very important for this chapter. Okay, so boys, do learn this table properly. Very, very important. So next we have, now we come to the exercise, that is exercise 23A. So in our exercise 23A, the first question is find the value of sine 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Okay, so the value for sine 30 degree from the table is 1 by 2, and the value for cos 30 degree from the table is root 3 by 2. You multiply the numerator. 1 into root 3 is root 3, and 2 into 2 is 4. So all in all we get root 3 by 4. Okay, number 2, tan 30, tan 60. Please refer your table. The value for tan 30 is 1 by root over 3, and the value for tan 60 is root 3. So root over 3 into root over 3 gets cancelled out. So we are only left with 1. So the answer is 1 out here. Now homework will be question number part 3 and part 4. The part 5 we have sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cot square 45 degree. Now its solution is, we know the value for sine 30, it's 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30, root 3 by 2 whole square. And cot 45, 1 whole square. Okay, we just have to put the values. So just put the values accordingly. So therefore 1 by 2. Now 1 by 2, if I open the bracket, it will be 1 by 4. Plus root over 3 by 2. If I open the bracket, say square and square root gets cancelled out. So 3 by 4. And then plus 1 square, which is 1. And the next step is very easy. We just have to take the LCM. The LCM throughout is 4. So we know it is 1 plus 3 plus 4. So which means 8 by 4, which is equals to 2. So that's it for today. And your homework will also be question number 1 part 6. Okay, so in tomorrow's class we'll be starting from question number 2.